This is the black sorrel. It is less sour than the red variety we call bashment in Jamaica. While many think sorrel is strictly African, this specific variety is a Caribbean one. People often say their way is the best way to prepare sorrel, but there is no single best way. It is all subjective. However, for me, boiling sorrel is a big no. Even boiling it for 1 minute makes it taste like medicine or antibiotics. That's because boiling it releases excess tannins and bitter compounds, which creates that medicinal or astringent aftertaste. Some people add cinnamon sticks or leaves, cloves, and various spices, but I disagree. The sorrel should be the lead singer. Anything added to it should be the background singers. When you add too much spice, you lose the true taste of the sorrel. I have 2 ways I do it. First is the steep. I boil my ginger and pimento seeds for about 5 minutes to get that infused water. Then I pour that over the sorrel. Make sure it's covered, but don't let it swim. Too much water makes it insipid. I might add a few grains of white rice here too. That little bit of starch starts a fermentation that balances the flavor perfectly. But again, that's just my way. It is subjective as well. What is not subjective is the fact that adding high heat, white rum and red label wine kills the health benefits. To reap the full rewards, I blend my sorrel with ginger in a food processor. I do this in steps, scrape it into a large container and add just enough filtered room temperature water. I let it sit overnight or at least 5 hours before straining and adding the juice of 2 limes. Sweeten with your favorite sweetener and you'll notice the drink is beautifully syrupy. Walk good and stay blessed.
Yeah. Can we take a little time, just you and I? Slow it down, baby. Walk with me. Can we go for a walk and have a little talk? Underneath the moonlight, listen to our hearts. I've been watching your smile, it's like a sunrise glow. And every time you